Hello friend, this is me Rana Mansoor Ali. As you know that we are going to start a series of web development using HTML and CSS. So basically this is the first lecture and it's all about the basic knowledge of HTML and CSS. Today I will show you how HTML works and how to create a simple web page using HTML. So CSS is the second thing and just quite different than HTML because this is specially used for the styling, for designing, and HTML is used for development. So we have to develop something to design. So we will first develop the web page and then we will design it. So basically just HTML will be used in this video. So let's check out what is HTML, how to write the basic code of HTML and how it works. So uh, no doubt there are many editors for HTML, but because we are at the very beginner point, this is the very beginner step basically. So we will use the simple Windows Notepad for this purpose. So open up Windows Notepad. This is our Windows Notepad. So I'm going to tell you just very simple things about HTML. This is HTML tag and just this is HTML close. HTML basically HTML means hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language is a language which is written between the tags, between the different tags. Such kind of language is called hypertext markup language. So this is a tag HTML, HTML closing tag, and after it head comes here and then head close. Simple. After head, the body section here. Body has been closed before opening. No problem. This head section is used to link the external style sheets, JavaScripts, and other things. We will develop our everything in our body section. This is the body section, and we will use it for development. Every kind of text, every kind of data we want to to add in a web page, we will add here. So let's try. This is my first web. Okay. Now the second step is save. Save extracts my site. Here is one important thing here. Don't forget to save it in .html extension. Every web page must be save as on desktop. We'll save it on our desktop. Now here my site .html. Yeah, it shows here in our default browser. So let's open it. This is my first web. Basically it is a web page, you know. We'll design it, we'll develop more things here. So web page, a very simple web page. This is my first web. Open here from body section. In head section, another thing comes in head section, title. Title. So in title section, basically title is the title of your web page. What's about your web page? Okay. So I write here my web. Control S, save, and just come here, refresh. Let's see here my web. My web has came in. So basically it is the title of your web page, and this is the body, this is the content of your web page. This is the method how you write your HTML. Basically, it is our first video lecture. So just it is about the introduction. Basically, proper classes will be started ahead, and 2 to 3 lectures will be provided you through our video lectures. Just you have to practice and practice and practice and practice. You cannot learn coding without practice. So just focus on your practicing, and there is no need bulk of lectures, bulk of codes. Instead, I send you a video of just only one tag, tag by tag, tag by tag. I will not do anything like this. I will provide you complete and authentic data, complete classes just like video lectures of about 10 minutes, 8 minutes, which you can understand, which will provide you some concept, some specific concept, and you can implement them. Okay, 2 to 3 videos will be provided you in a week, and you have to practice it. Okay friends, just look out it, just try to understand it. HTML is very simple, there is nothing difficult. Just have a need we have a need to practice, practice, practice. Okay friends, see you soon in other video and in the main video. This is just an introductory video. This this is not the main video. So see you soon.